Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday Technical Talk episode number 20. And it's almost like 5 months we have been doing this, and this is the 20th episode. So let me talk about this is going to be trend following part 2. Now, part 3, sorry. Before we start, let me have some. Let's wait for a few seconds and let's wait few more guys to join in. And if you are joining from wherever you are joining, just please mention your city in the chat box while we start this session in the next couple of minutes. Join. Make sure you write your city in the chat box. Where are you joining from? Yes, Mumbai, Chennai, Rajasthan. Okay. Mention your city in the chat box. Mention your city in the chat box. Yes, we have Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Mumbai, Chennai, Rajasthan, Ahmedabad. Yes. Okay. And I can see that some of you are being joining every Tuesday religiously, and thank you for coming, showing up live. And I hope you're getting value out of these videos, which we are doing every Tuesday. And we have been if you are new to this channel, new to this video, make sure you watch all other episodes. This is episode number 20, so you can go back to all the videos which we have covered: some short-term trading, one intraday trading, couple of patterns. We had 3 videos on options. We had one video on RSI, one video on ADX, and one with few videos on high performance trading, which is mindset. And we have like a couple of videos on trend following, which is going on. This is the part 3 of trend following. So if you are new and the first time, make sure you watch all those videos. And to see all these videos at one shot at one place, just go to YouTube channel Malkan's View, and we'll have all Tuesday technical talk in one line, in one playlist, so you can watch them again and again. And make sure to comment in each of those videos whatever I ask you to, so that we know you're watching it, you're liking it. And if you want any specific topic to be covered in the next Tuesday technical, then we can do that in the next video also. So welcome to Tuesday technical talk, episode 20. And we are extremely delighted to do this series with the response and the views which we are getting from all over the world, actually. And this is Tuesday Technical Talk episode 20 with trend following part 3. Now, if you know that we have spoken about trend following in the last 2 videos, which one was what is trend following, how you can make trend following work, and we said trend following is more of boring money. And then last time we also covered types of trend following systems like moving average, like Donchian channels, like Renko charts, and simple price action, even RSI. And then we also see the characteristics of trend following systems, as well as what kind of characteristics you need to become a good trend follower. And let me now, today in this part 3, let me share a couple of trading systems in brief, like just to show you a glimpse. Of course, I cannot teach a trading system in this just a small video, but I'll show you what the power is and how it can work. So let me switch back to my charts and just hold on for a minute. Yes, now can you see the chart? Okay, if you can see the chart, then click in the comment section that you can see the chart. That I can see the charts in the comment section. I think we are running on low Wi-Fi in this particular on this day, so that's why just making sure whether you can see the charts or not. So if you're watching, if you can see the charts, yes, great. Okay, that's great. Okay, so let's go to the charts and see. Yeah, Okay, now can you see this is a pure candlestick chart, which is which has only or no indicators, no lines, and all that. Now let me just show you one of the most simple simple trend following systems. If you want to know, would be what is, let's put one simple moving average, or let's put two moving averages, two of them. One of them is say 13, and one of them is say edit and say 34, and let's put it as red, and okay, and say apply. You can see that two lines. Now if you see this, this can become an extremely powerful trading trend following system. Now, which are the simple rules if you follow on this? Like, it also has the rules to buy, the rules to exit, the rules to add more positions, which is we called as pyramid. Then we have rules to sell, rules to exit your sell, and rules to sell pyramid. It means you can even add your pyramids in your short position. So that is where this is one of the most powerful systems I've been teaching since last almost 6-7 years in my training programs. Dual moving average trend following system. We generally use these numbers 13 and 34, but we can even change as per the stock, because different stocks follow different moving average, and we also cover that how you can change this moving average. So there will be 6 rules to it. First is the buy, second is the addition to buy, third is the exit buy, fourth would be sell, fifth would be addition to sell, and sixth would be exit sell. So 6 rules, and that's it. So for example, let me talk about say buy here, because it's the main trend starting about the red. One buy, then second buy, addition to buy, addition to buy, addition to buy, and sell. Like that, I can go short also in a downtrend. For example, sell, add sell, add sell, add sell. Now let's look at some other stocks which we can trade on the same system. Any system, any stock can be traded with this simple system. Let's look at say Jindal Steel. Now, if this is a Jindal Steel chart, which I need to see is we go to daily chart. Okay, let's look at, or we can even go to weekly chart. Now if I look at weekly chart, now this is a strong trend, and this is where I would have entered for a positional swing trade, positional trade around 78 rupees, 80 rupees, and then it went up and it came down. I would have added more position, added more position, added more position, and right now it is around 250. Now, as I said, yeah, last time, go back to my last video and see that you need tremendous amount of discipline, one, and tremendous amount of patience to do trend following. Now, if you see that basically it went from 80 rupees to 250 rupees, which is almost 3 times in almost in less than 1.5 year. Now, to and in that we have pyramided. Now, can you handle this situation? Can you handle this big drop? Can you handle this big rally? All that without budging and also pyramiding in your position, then only you can do trend following, and then only you're going to make that huge money in the market. So this is dual moving average system, one of my best trend following systems. I'm going to show you one more, which is very effective and very simple, in fact used by the turtles also. Now if you want to have access to this particular system in detail with 6 rules, I'm going to put a link here in this chat once I finish this video, and you can subscribe for that system as well as one of my best system which I'm going to teach live tomorrow in Mumbai, 30th May. But that video also will be available after it is recorded, and at it's like hardly at any price. It's just a way of giving back. Now let's get back to another system. Let's remove this moving average system and let's go to daily chart, or let's put it weekly chart. And last time, remember, if I spoke about Donchian channels. Now Donchian channel is something like, you generally people use 20. Now let's look at an example of 20 only right now. Let's see this. We can change it to 20, 55, 34, or different numbers you can choose, but by default it is 20. introduced and invented by Richard Donchian long back. And this was one of the major systems which most turtles traded. If you remember the book on turtles, and they made most of the money, which was simple like Donchian channel. You buy about 4 weeks high, sell below 2 weeks low. Now let's look at this. How does this work? Donchian is basically 20-day high low. Can you see these are two bands? These are slightly different than Bollinger bands. They are not bands, they are different. It's a channel. We call it price channel. Now, once you know that the trend is bullish, for which you need to have some kind of trigger like RSI or ADX, and let's say this is the trend which got bullish from here. So when I buy here 20-day high, and my stop loss would be 20-day low, this is my stop loss, and then I keep continuing the trend as long as the 20-day stop loss is not triggered. Now if you see this, as market goes high, 20-day low also is going high, so your stop loss is automatically moving up, and this is like it was bought at around same 85 88 levels, and still we have not got a solve, and our stop loss has already reached 200. That means you don't have to do anything. And in this, if you know that if the stop loss gets triggered here, you are out. You made good amount of money from here to here. Now remember, you entered here and you will exit somewhere here with the stop loss here, assuming that tomorrow it gets triggered. So what you miss out is this part of the market, the bottom, and you also miss out this part of the market, the top. And if you go back and check my episode 18 and 19, I told you that in trend following systems, you will never ever be able to sell right at the top of the market or buy at the bottom of the market. This is the whole trend from, if you notice, this is the whole trend, right? And in this, we will not buy here, we will not sell here, but we bought here and sold here. So this is like 70% of the trend, which out of the 100%, 70% of the trend we captured, and that is we call as the cream of the market. And this, to capture the bottom and to capture the top of the market, it's extremely difficult. You have to go into other tools and other time frames, and it requires a lot of expertise and experience, and I would even say to an extent some amount of luck. But to get this 70% of the trend, which we call as the cream of the market, where you are not predicting anything, you don't need any expertise, you don't need any experience, you don't need any luck also, you just have to execute it with discipline and patience, you could make that money in the market, right? So this is one way. One is dual moving average, one is Donchian channel, and this is what we cover in detail in our Millionaire Trader program coming up in June 21st, 22nd and 23rd. And tomorrow I'm doing a 3-hour session on one of my best favorite strategy called top bottom, by which we can go long and short when we make that 2000 plus points on Bank Nifty at least 4 times a year. And so far we already did 2 times, and the third time we got 1400 points, so 5400 points on Bank Nifty in the last 4 months, and couple of more trades coming up in the next year. So if you want to access that particular top bottom strategy plus the dual moving average strategy, there's a special offer going on. Click on the link above and I'll see you live tomorrow, or you can watch the video later also if you're out of Mumbai. Now going back to, let's look at this Donchian strategy one more time, which is, say, let's look at on something else, Bank Nifty. Now see, this is Bank Nifty, and let's go to, even we can use it on daily chart. Let's go and check daily chart. Now this is my Bank Nifty chart, and now if you notice, there was a big trend in 2017. Now if you just look at buy signal generated on daily chart was around 18,700, and the stop loss triggered was somewhere here, 23,000. From 18,000 to 23,000 in a matter of 6 months, and no sell signal, no big drop down, no drawdown, and again it got a buy, again it got a sell, and then the trend went sideways. In that you can make money. Now this is just level 1. I'm just showing you a rough broad skeleton of the system. There can be specific rules, and even in this Donchian we can have rules to pyramid our stock like that. I'm not going to buy one lot of Bank Nifty and hold on till here. Of course, that's good amount of money, but I will also keep adding my positions as I go along. because as I get more confirmation, more tools, and my stop loss gets nearer, I can add more position, and that is can make a real killing in the market, what we call. And this is super trend, 5,000 points on Bank Nifty, and at least you can get 3,000, 3,500 points. And remember, with this trend following system, you don't need to trade that often. It's just put the trade, put the stop loss, and let the trend do the work. Now, if the trend is not there, like it is a sideways market, it will not make money. It will trigger your stop loss. But that's what happens. This is trended market, then sideways market. Then this is another strong, good small trend, and then there's a strong downtrend, and now there's another long trend. So after trended, sideways, sideways, trended, trended, sideways, you just have to keep following the system. In sideways, you get chopped, you get make small losses. In trended, you make money, big money, plus you pyramid, so you make huge money, and it all sets off at the end of the year. You make decent amount of money. And to tell you honestly, frankly, many people, I do a lot of seminars and workshop. Many people are interested to learn only day trading and intraday trading kind of stuff, scalping stuff. Now, I have done that for many years, start of my career pretty well also. But if you really want to make big money, then trend following has to be a part of your portfolio. You may do day trading as a small portion of your trading, but not as the whole. If you're only doing day trading, then you will never ever make it very big in the market. Rarely means like 1% of day traders will make very big in the market. So that's very low probability. But if you do trend following along with some day trading, which is like a with in day trading will generate the income, and trend following will create the wealth, right? So you need to create wealth, and that is possible, very much easily possible with trend following systems. So this is just a broad layout of what we did, two systems, dual moving average system and Donchian channel. And if you want to learn two strategies which we teach in Millionaire Trader, one I will send you a video right away as soon as you register, and one I'm going to record this tomorrow 30th May in Mumbai, 3-hour session, 6 to 9. If you are in Mumbai, you can attend live, or you can even watch the video later. We'll send you for a couple of days, you watch it a couple of times, and you learn the system, the best which we teach in our Millionaire Trader program. So I hope, now let's take some kind of feedback on what did you learn from this video so far. What was the takeaway so far? And I just want to know, what did you learn? Just put in the comment section what was your takeaway in the video so far. What did you learn? You learned moving average, trend following is best strategy for uptrend. Yes. Double moving average in Donchian channel for trend following. To make a killing, you need to have patience. Yes. You need to have patience. Yes. Great. How to make big money by trend trading. Yes. So thank you so much, and I hope you like this. I want now if you this trend following section is over. I did 3 parts of trend following. And now I'm going to, next week onwards, I'm going to take on another topic, like don't ignore trend following and miss wealth creation. Dual moving average and Donchian channel and trend following will make a killing, and intraday won't make a big money. Yes, good lessons learned. So next time onwards, next Tuesday onwards, I'm going to take a new series of topic. And if you have specific topics to be covered, just make sure you comment in the section that I want to learn dash. You want to learn candlesticks, you want to learn Bollinger Bands, you want to learn trend lines, you want to learn trend patterns, and you want to learn double top, double bottoms, you want to learn triangles. So whatever is your topic, put that in the comment section, all of you, and make sure you share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to get the best trend following systems, 2 of them, register on the link in the chat box. If you're watching this video in YouTube, then look at the link below. And if you're watching on Facebook, look at the link above and click register and you will get one free strategy, dual moving average strategy, which I just explained in detail with rules. And also you can watch my live presentation, which I'm doing tomorrow on 30th May in Mumbai. That if you can attend live, or you can get the video after some time, after the next day. And we'll see you on next Tuesday technical talk. Meanwhile, write what topic you want to learn in the next session. Click on the link above and register, and I'll see you next Tuesday technical talk. Thank you so much. Good luck and good trading.